when we're multiplying things together, it's going to look a lot like what stuff we've done with x's before. The one thing you want to keep in mind is that I squared equals -1. So anytime you end up with an I squared in your problem, you need to convert that to a -1 and simplify a little bit further. Looking at a problem like this, you can think of this the same way you would have thought of something like this back in the day. Back not only in the day, but like I think last week. And you would distribute this and you get an answer. And we'll do the same thing over here. So 3i times 4 will give us the 12i. We're just going to distribute that. And then 3i times -5i would make us -15i squared. Now the only problem is that this I squared really is the same thing as -1. So we end up with 12i minus 15 times the -1, or 12i plus 15, and I don't know if Alex is going to be picky about this or not, but if they don't like this answer, it's because technically complex numbers are like the real part plus imaginary part. So if it does give you some static, then you're going to want to go ahead and rewrite that as 15 plus 12i. Just make sure that this part comes later. And that's how we're going to do this. Just look out for those I squareds, turn them to -1s, multiply the stuff out, simplify, and have a good time with that.